to one and all. A very warm evening to everyone. I, Hitanshi Arora, the host of Fairgaze Modern Animations, welcomes you all for the free training session of ABK Fairgaze Anyone. The session is organized by Fairgaze in association with Adarsh Vidya Kendra, Tamil Nadu. Fairgaze is a leading school-focused media and an ecosystem for holistic development. We are delighted to announce that Adarsh Vidya Kendra, together with Fairgaze Media, is organizing ABK Fairgaze Anyone online on 26 June 2021, where each of you can witness a life-changing journey. I thereby thank Adarsh Vidya Kendra for taking up this initiative for their students. I also thank Mr. Binu Mohan Biyar, the principal of Adarsh Vidya Kendra, Tamil Nadu, for association, and Ms. Kritika Ma'am, the MUN coordinator, Adarsh Vidya Kendra, Tamil Nadu, supporting this conference wholeheartedly. As you all may be aware of Modern United Nations and its functioning, that's the reason we can have organized this free training session, especially for you all. The session is graced by very renowned Munna, Mr. Shashwat Puri. Mr. Shashwat Puri, he is well-known name in the MUN circuit in India, a popular and a recognized chair of Fairgaze MUNs. He is in MUN from last 5 years and chaired over 20 MUNs. He loves meeting and talking to new people. He also had a successful organized lot of MUNs and is a great example of leadership. Sir, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. That how many of you like studying, but at the same time you want to do other activities like dancing, singing, and other activities. Like, just raise your hands and just please tell me that if, like, I know that you people might be loving studying, but at the same time there's a strong possibility that you will have to do some other activities as well. If you will have to do some other activities, just raise your hands. That जो भी आप करना चाहते हो, जो भी आपकी skill है, normal पढ़ाई लिखाई के अलावा, if you have any kind of skill, then you have to present that skill in front of everybody or anybody to like grow up in that particular field. And that particular skill of presenting your skill, that you will get by coming up in these kind of forums like that of MUN.
I believe that MUN is held for people who can speak up in common places and raise social topics, and countries are assigned to people, and we just speak about this topic.
I'm just telling you that why you need to do MUN right now, to gain some confidence. You will be having some confidence, but at the same time, yeah, to reach at a certain point where nobody else is there, you should have great level of confidence, right? See, in our Lok Sabha, there is a particular sequence, but there is violation of that sequence, right? Like when a particular leader is speaking, another leader can interrupt him. Like, it's unethical, but yeah, in our Lok Sabha, this is happening, right? But at the same time, in United Nations, if particular delegate is speaking, like let's say delegate of Pakistan is speaking, then nobody can interrupt him or her. In United Nations, when you are representing India, then you will fight for India. If in modern United Nations you are representing Pakistan, you will fight for Pakistan. If you are representing China, you will fight for China. If you are representing any XYZ country, you will fight for that XYZ country. Fine. Like, let's say Shivani was representing India. If you are, just please raise your hands, and in your words, can you please tell me that what happened in Israel? Shivani, apart from Shivani, any other person? Wait. Yes, the second person who's raising hand, Nafa, I guess. I'm very sorry if I'm pronouncing your name wrongly. Yes, you can please speak up. Maz, yes.
Yeah. So the Palestine issue is really that is something that's like violating a human rights completely. Like they just keep on fighting, wars, shooting, everything just for a piece of small land which is considered to be a very holy land. It's very harsh. Such things should not happen.
Okay. Moving forward, I would like to tell you people the committees which we are having in Fairgaze, Model United Nations. So yes, first committee is United Nations Environment Program. So in this particular committee, you used to discuss the environmental problems all over the globe. Fine. And there's a particular topic as well. You can see that. And now, the second committee which we are having is United Nations General Assembly. in General Assembly, you used to debate upon the general topics. Fine. You used to debate on the general topics, like anything can be discussed related to the topic. Fine. General Assembly, there is not a particular foundation in this particular committee that you have to speak this or you have to speak that. You can speak anything on that topic, and apart from that topic as well, you can speak. Now, moving forward, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. So in this, you can tell, in short, in this particular committee, you can tell about the scientific growth and the cultural growth of your country. Like if you are representing India, you can tell the scientific and the cultural growth and the cultural development of your country if you are interested for that. If you are interested in your science subject, if you are interested in social studies, then you can definitely come up in this particular committee. Yes. Now in WHO, which I guess you all are aware about, WHO is World Health Organization. In this particular committee, you will discuss about the global health. Recently, like we can see that ongoing pandemic, we are facing the ongoing pandemic of coronavirus, and for that WHO is playing a very important crucial role. So the same thing you will be doing as the young leaders there as well. In WHO, you will be debating on a particular topic which has been written there. Now moving forward, United Nations Security Council. We took example of Israel-Palestine conflict, and recently a meeting took place in Security Council, and they also come up with the solution. The same thing you will be doing in this particular Security Council meet in Fairgaze. The topic is improving effectiveness in peacekeeping missions. You will be getting aware of this topic in the training session if you will opt for this particular committee. But in short, I can tell you, peacekeepers are just like army, but these army people are the global army. Like India send their some peacekeepers, China send their some peacekeepers, and those peacekeepers combined move to the place where there is violation of human rights. That is the work of peacekeeper in short. And international press, if you are not interested to debate, like if you are not willing to debate, if you don't like debating, and if you like to like clicking pictures, or if you like to Hitanshi ma'am, before moving forward, I would just like to ask that you are having reporters and caricatures.
Yes, sir.
Oh, fine. Yes. If you don't like to debate, and if you like to become journalist, like if you want to become journalist, or if you like to write something, if you like to like articles, if you are good in English, so you can come up in this particular committee. You don't have to speak anything, you just have to observe. Like if I'm speaking here in front of you, then what I've spoke in this particular committee, you just have to write a report for that, and that is the work of reporter. And the caricature, you have to form the funny caricature of the committee, or you can say not even funny, the related caricature or the related drawing of the committee. If you are good in drawing, you can definitely come up in this particular committee. If you will win, you will get a certificate in all the if you are participating in any committee, and if you will win, you will be getting certificate. Even if you don't win, you will be getting experience, and even at that case, you will be getting a certificate of participation that will be useful for you for your entire life. And yes, if you like debate, if you are willing to debate, come up in any of the 5 committees. And if you are not willing to debate, if you are willing to write, if you are willing to write articles, if you are willing to write reports, come up in international press as reporters. And if you like to draw, if you like to draw some caricature, if you like to draw what is happening in committee, like you can see whatever Rahul Gandhi or whatever our respected Prime Minister Narendra Modi used to say, he used to make caricature for that, right? Like if a particular policy or a particular scheme is implemented by Narendra Modi sir, then a lot of memers used to make a lot of memes. Fine. The same thing you have to do in simple words in international press if you are participating there as caricaturist. Fine. So these are the positions which are there on which you can occupy and as which you can participate. You can either participate as delegate, you can either participate as reporter in the international press, you can either participate as, the last thing is, caricaturist if you are good in drawing. For this particular session, and I'll give the floor to the Fairgaze team. And yes, thank you very much for calling me, and over to the Fairgaze team members.
Thank you so much, Shashwat sir, to take out your precious time and explain modern United Nations to the students who aspire to be like you someday. I thank the school again for making their students attend this session and gearing up for them for the conference. I would also like to thank Mr. Binu Monbia, Principal of Adarsh Vidya Kendra, Tamil Nadu, take up this opportunity and take up this opportunity for the students. Secondly, I would like to invite, and I see you all coming and participating in this event. Registration link has been shared in the chat box, and if you have any doubts, you can contact the Kritika ma'am as well, or you can contact the Faircase team. And yeah, hope to see you at the event. And are there any doubts as well that we can clear right now?